No, my phone. Dead. Need lifeline.
This model features a 20,000 mAh lithium polymer battery with 18 watts power delivery and quick charge 3.0 compatibility, offering approximately 4 full charges for your smartphone.
Numbers. I don't know. Which one? Just tell me. Can it save my phone now? I need go airport. I need my phone. My phone cannot die.
Phone. Dying. This. Phone hero. 4 times. From dead to alive.
Hero. I need hero now.
收埋你本科技字典，而家只用3個英文詞幫佢。第一個詞講佢嘅痛，第二個詞講解決方法，第三個詞俾希望。
Low battery. This phone doctor. Save in seconds. Go now.
Doctor. Good.
頭先我仲想背20000 mAh 等於4次充電，但原來佢淨係需要聽到
當人哋部電話就嚟斷氣，你話 PD 3.0協議同話即刻打強心針，邊句夠到名？
哈哈，我終於明點解英文作文可以攞 A， 但頭先俾個 phone doctor 考起。英文從來唔係鬥多生字，而係鬥快充到電入人個腦。以前成日驚我個 adjective 唔夠 advanced， 而家驚我粒字充唔充到電入佢個心入邊。
記住呢個 magic moment。Complex English wins exams, but charge up English saves the day.